Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Saidatul Fikriyah and here I am will explain my last project for this semester. Okay, this is poetry that I made it by myself with the title is Goodbye. Okay, check it out. Last summer felt like a dream, feeling like super clean. More than once, I have smiled over your text, and then utterly invisible the next. Once we intertwined in a connection, and now we adrift in the sea of rejection. Words left hanging without reply, leaving my heart to question why. I just wanna be the one, but to you, we're already done. Tell me, why'd you have to kill me? Now I'm all alone crying ugly. What are we in this bittersweet dance? I mean, can we take a chance? In this our very short story together, maybe I can live on it forever. Okay, let's move to the interpretation of this poetry. This poetry seems to express the feeling of longing, confusion, and a heartbreak that writer feels. And there is a mix of sadness and a hint if how if the writer give a second chance despite the pain of the current situation. And then this poetry reflects the emotional journey from the writer of a relationship that has gone from euphoria to the summer madness. It begins with a nostalgic experience that the writer has done with this someone, and then suddenly became a tragic genre of her life. And the story was begins when the writers feels like ignored and rejected in the present and questioning why their connection has suddenly faded, and there is a sense of longing and desperation of being discarded by someone that the writer cared for. And despite the heart, there is a desire for reconciliation and the possibility of salvaging what remains of their relationship, even if it's just a very short lived change and happiness. The conclusion is this poetry has told us about the writer's story that feels abandoned or ignored from the past relationship, that there is a very euphoria phase at the first, and then suddenly the relationship has faded by itself and leave the writer questioning did all why did it all happens to her and how come. Okay, and then for the analysis, the theme of the poem revolves around love, loss, and the emotional that comes with the end of a relationship. I mean, the theme of the poem just talk about around the complexities of love itself and loss, and about wondering why. Why did it all happen to her and how come? And then the genre, the poem falls into the genre of modern poetry and focusing on personal emotions and experiences. We can call it sad genre because it tells about the writer's sadness, right? Okay, next the stanzas. The poem consists of 4 stanzas, which is each of stanzas containing 4 lines. And then the emotional portrayed in the poem include happiness in the past, the euphoria that the writer has experienced, and then longing, confusion, heartbreak, and a sense of resignation. Okay, I think that's all the emotion that being portrayed in this poetry. And then the type of words. This poem used a mix of descriptive, emotive, and reflective language to convey the speaker's feeling, and maybe some denotative words. And for the rhyme, this poem follows the AABB rhyme in each stanzas. Like the example is last summer felt like a dream, and then soft gleam. So the first line and the second line have the same end, and then the third line and fourth line too, they have a same end in each lines. And then for the imagery, this poem used vivid imagery such as last summer felt like a dream and adrift in the sea of rejections to evoke strong mental experiences. For the pronoun itself, this poem predominantly used first person like I and we to emphasizing the personal nature of the speaker's experiences and reflections. And the last is the figure of speech. This poem implies like various figures of speech, including metaphor. The examples is adrift in the sea of rejections. Where is the sea of rejection? Nothing, right? And then the hyperbole one, like now I'm all alone crying ugly. I think that's some hyperbole. And then personifications, words left hanging. How the words hanging, it can be right, so it's personification. And then this literally defines add depth and complexity to the speaker's emotions and experiences. So the writer used this kind of words to enhance the emotion and the depth meaning that the writer trying to send it to the reader. Okay, I think that's all from my review today, and I will be very happy if you guys have any critique and suggestion for this video, because I am pretty sure I have many mistakes in this video. And thank you for watching. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.